How to log into your app store. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video I'll guide you through the steps on how you can log into your app store, so just make sure to watch the video till the very end. If you want to log into your app store, all you have to do is simply go ahead and first of all launch your app store here. Now you might be thinking, just because I want to log into my app store doesn't mean I open the app store application itself, because to log into your Apple ID on your app store doesn't mean that you have to log in on app store. It means that you have to log in on your iPhone. So if you're not seeing your Apple ID here, it means that you're not logged in on your iPhone itself. So what you want to do now is open up the settings application. Here at the very top you'll find the sign in button instead of your Apple ID name. So in my case I'm already signed in, so you're seeing my Apple ID name, but if you've not, then you have to tap the sign in option here. Make sure to enter your Apple ID, email and password, and then just go ahead and successfully sign into your account. Then after you've done that, only then you'll be able to open up your app store and you'll be successfully signed in. So this way you can log into your app store. Hope this video was helpful to you guys, and if it did help you, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. If you have got any more questions, then feel free to leave them down below. Thank you very much for watching till the end of this tutorial, and see you soon in the next video.